So in this video, I'm going to solve the third example of finding the angle using sine or cosine tangent, and also it involves inverse trigonometric function. And I'm reviewing this for third time because I assume you guys did memorize this by steps. And inverse trigonometric function is that if we divide data by trigonometric function like sine, cosine, or tangent. We also need to divide it into the right side to keep it equal. But it will turn into negative trigonometric function. It's not an exponent. It just shows the inverse trigonometric functions of number like 8/9 or 10/2. So I'm going to apply this into this finding angle question of the right triangle. And right now we are going to find the angle B because it said find the angle B. And if we find it, the given with the given size, it is 4 and 7. But the 4 is an adjacent side of the B, and the 7 is a hypotenuse. So we can use adjacent over hypotenuse. I'll write in different color. Hypotenuse is equal to cosine. So this over hypotenuse is cosine. So we can use cosine for this. And if you use it, I'll just erase this. And if you use it, the cosine, so cosine of the angle, I will just call it theta. Cosine of theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, the same thing with the original cosine, which is 4 over 7. And the same thing here, we divide cosine to both sides in order to isolate theta in the left side. We divide cosine, I'll just write divide sine, cosine. And in the left side, the cosine will gonna cancel out. And in the left side, only the theta. Theta is equal to, as we did in the up step, the negative trigonometric function, which is negative cosine, is just the inverse trigonometric function of the number, which is 4 over 7. And with the negative cosine of 4 over 7, I already calculated, it is approximately 55.1500 and on and on and on. So, right over here. And we can say that this answer is approximately, if we round in the nearest hundredths place, because it is on and on and on, that means close to infinite. And hundredths place. And it will gonna give us approximately 55.15. This is our answer, so our down answer of this question is equal to angle B is approximately, I'll write down below, 55.15. And this was our answer. So we could find out we are using cosine with using given the angle and the given size. We just use inverse trigonometric functions if you find the angles in the right triangle. And we could end up with the answer 55.1500 and on and on and on. And we made an approximate value, which is 55.15. And this will gonna be angle of the B. And we're done.